Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2015 Hoosier Bandit, 2-horse, 8-wide living quarters. It's got a lot of cool things about it. It is a one owner, so it was bought brand new. It has a fully enclosed front. It is 8 wide, it is 7'6" tall. Underneath that closed front is your 2 propane tanks, your hydraulic jack, and your batteries. It does have a stainless nose. It's gray in color. It does have a slide. It does have the extruded sides, so that's the ribbed aluminum there on the side of the trailer. Does have 2 drop-down windows, no escape door. Most of your 2-horse living quarters do not have escape doors, just due to the layout of the axle placement. So, aluminum wheels. It does have a high tie here on the driver's side. That is the tie here. This actually comes out and you can hook your horse to it, and they're not on top of the trailer, so it's called a high tie. This trailer does have a rear ramp. So it's got a fold-up rear ramp. It does have a rear tack that has a swing-out saddle rack and blanket bar. It does have bridle hooks there. That is a collapsible rear tack. Brush box on the door. It is fully lined and insulated horse box. It does have the rumber floor, and those are rubber planks, just like wood, but they're rubber. Does have an LED light strip all the way around the trailer. It's got padding on both sides of the divider. Does have a lower divider. And this lower divider does fold backwards to keep it out of the way when you're loading. So drop down windows with bars, walk through door. I'm gonna say that the padding is torn here and they got a little bit of tape. Honestly, I barely noticed it till I was doing this video. Horse box is in good shape. You've got a little bit of wear at the back of the 2 horse stalls. That's normal. So again, fully lined and insulated, does have roof vents. 2-horse, 8 wide. Again, it is 7'6" tall. There's nothing on the outside on both sides that I can note that is an issue. So it's in great shape as far as any fender issues, any dings or bangs or anything on it. There's really not. Does have a power awning. Flip up step at the camper door. Does have propane access for a grill here on the outside. Okay, stepping in the LQ. It is the hickory wood interior. And the cabinet doors are, sorry guys, the cabinet doors are hickory. Kind of expanded so the slide is out. It's got cabinets above the slide box. Couch does make a bed, and it does have 2 drawers there under the bed for storage. So it's got a cabinet here for hanging clothes. It's got cabinets behind those mirrors, and it's got 2 shelves. It does have a TV. It does have a cabinet here for hanging space. Nice cabinets. So the cabinet doors, these doors are real hickory. It's got a rear kitchen with a 2-burner gas top stove. Microwave, small fridge. It's got a laminate floor that looks like plank, like a farmhouse plank floor. Pretty neat. It is a ducted AC with a propane furnace, so ducted AC, that's super nice. No, it's not. I take that back. Well, no, it's not ducted. It's just got the actual control on the wall, so I scratched that. It does blow out all from this unit, but it does have the remote on the wall. With that being said, it probably will go into auto mode, which means it's just going to go on and off like a house. So it's actually not ducted, but does have that option. Bathroom is a good size. It's got the octagon size shower. Give me a second and I'll open that door. So octagon shower, sink and vanity in the corner here, walk-through door. It's got 2 cabinets here for storage behind the toilet. It does have a pocket bathroom door. So let me spin around. Pocket bathroom door. So a lot of space in this trailer. This is actually, pretty sure this is a 10-foot short wall. It has a small fridge, but it has a pretty good sized bathroom. Again, this is 8 wide, maybe a 9. I'll get those measurements when I do the actual ad. So the sink is a stainless sink with a cover, storage there underneath the sink, storage above. So a lot of floor space in this trailer with that slide out. It is a 2015 Hoosier 2-horse. Trying to get out. 8 wide. Nice living quarters. Bandit Outlaw Series. I don't know if I said it has a hydraulic jack, but I think I did. It does have a hydraulic jack. All right, guys. Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500.